What is the process of cloud formation?
Hello there, cloud watchers. Today, we're going to explore an amazing natural phenomenon that we often take for granted, cloud formation. You might see them every day, but have you ever wondered how these fluffy wonders are formed? Well, strap in as we demystify the process.
What are clouds?
First things first, let's address the question, what are clouds? Clouds are collections of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. They are formed when water vapor in the air condenses into visible water droplets. Sounds simple, right? But there's a bit more to it, so let's dive deeper.
The role of water cycle in cloud formation.
How does the water get up there in the first place? This brings us to the concept of the water cycle, which is the continuous process by which water circulates between the Earth's oceans, atmosphere, and land. Here's how it works. 1. Evaporation. Water from the Earth's surface, like oceans, lakes, and rivers, gets heated by the sun and turns into water vapor, rising into the sky. 2. Transpiration. Plants also contribute to this process by releasing water vapor through tiny pores in their leaves, a process known as transpiration. Together, evaporation and transpiration lead to the accumulation of water vapor in the atmosphere.
How do clouds form?
Now that we have water vapor in the sky, the next question is, how does this vapor transform into clouds? 1. Cooling and condensation. As the warm, moist air rises, it cools. When it reaches a certain temperature, known as the dew point, the water vapor condenses around tiny particles, like dust or smoke, present in the atmosphere, forming tiny water droplets. 2. Cloud formation. These droplets come together and become visible as clouds. The specific look of a cloud, its shape, color, and density, depends on the conditions in the atmosphere, such as temperature, humidity, and wind patterns.
Different types of clouds.
Knowing how clouds form, you might wonder, why do clouds look different? Well, the variation in cloud types, like cumulus, stratus, and cirrus, is due to differences in temperature, wind, and the amount of water vapor available at different altitudes in the atmosphere. These factors determine the size, shape, and color of the clouds we see in the sky. Isn't it fascinating how a simple process like cloud formation can have such a significant impact, from creating breathtaking skies to influencing our weather patterns? The next time you look up at the sky, you'll have a deeper understanding of the marvel of cloud formation. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the clouds. Until next time, keep looking up and keep wondering.